Hello, I'm Dr. Nick, the Incrementalist, talking about smarter technology insights for better health. Today we're going to talk about meditation. I've talked about this before and how to approach it and some of the incremental steps that you can take to really get on board with the meditation process. And I can't tell you how positive it's been for me personally. It has some incredible health benefits, and it's a great way of dealing with stress, which I think all of us face a lot in the current society that we live in. But how do you go about this, and what technology could help you? Well, there's a number of apps that are available that will help you get to meditate. I personally have tried a whole number of these, and my challenge with them is if you're trying to do this cost effectively, and by that I mean with zero cost, you're really struggling to find an app that doesn't force you into some system that says, hey, try this for 7 days, and then they'll end up billing your credit card and you struggle to sort of cancel it. And by the way, if you pay that, it's a subscription fee, and then when you stop paying it, suddenly you've got no access to all of this content that you've been using and paying for. You essentially are on this payment plan. I have a real struggle with that. That's just not very cost effective for me personally. I don't know about you, but I don't like that. So I've looked for some of the apps that you can use and use free, and really the only one that I've found that is as good as I could possibly ask for, and that would be Calm. And what Calm does is it separates out the paid content really well so that you can use it without having to pay. You don't have to sign up. It's really, for me, a great methodology to actually start your meditation. That for me is the prime app, and I would recommend it. I would suggest you take on app. You can download it, you can start using it and feel like you're getting value. Breathe to Relax is the other one. It doesn't quite have so much in terms of content, and by the way, they all have premium content, and Calm certainly tries to tease you, but what it does, I think, is a good job of showing you what's available so that you at least get a sense of what you might be buying into. Some of the others that are available, I'm not going to mention, but essentially my experience has been I couldn't find the free content. At least one of the other apps talks about having the most free content available. Well, I couldn't find it, so that's not really much good. I had to sign up for a free 7 days, but I'd end up giving them my credit card and feel like I was sort of stuck with this. So I recommend Calm. You could also try Breathe to Relax. It's a simpler tool set, doesn't quite have the same extensive content, but it's a good way to start. And your incremental step here is to get on and do it. Do it every morning, do it every lunchtime, do it every evening. I'm not saying all three of those, although that wouldn't be a bad idea either. I'm saying do it at least one of those times. Pick what works for you and use a free app. Start using it. You're not going to feel compelled. Some people would say you're better off paying some money because then you really feel like you have to use it. I'm not so sure that that's true, but either way, start using it, start meditating, and get on a daily basis. Calm does something else actually. It reminds you on a daily basis that, hey, you've managed to meditate for the last 261 days. Fantastic. That's good sort of gamification, for want of another word, that keeps you engaged. It's a bit like other apps that try and keep you so that you keep up your record, as it were. If you've got any suggestions or any other ideas or apps that you've found that work, let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, I appreciate you subscribing and also letting me know. And if you've got some suggestions for other things that I can cover, leave that in the comments below or send me an email. Otherwise, I'm Dr. Nick, I'm the Incrementalist, looking at better health technology to improve your overall health.